Welcome in. Today I'm going to teach you how to play this awesome snare break by RCC. As you can see, we've got this crazy fast 16th note roll at the beginning. We've got some real interesting hand patterns going on. We've got some crazy flam stuff. We've got the big ending. And we've got a little bit of a stick throw at the end with the two hits. I've written this out in Sibelius, imported it into the drummer app, so we can use this to learn this. You can see that we're first of all going for the first 3 bars because it's a nice easy 16th note roll. We've slowed it way down to 100 beats a minute. So second, 2, 3, 4, third 1, 2, 3, 4, back to the start. So we've simply got 16th notes, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and then the crescendo. That's the whole of that part. So have a go. One more. Okay, let's go to the next bar. That's nice and easy. So I'm going to take this down now to, let's go to 2 measures at a time because 3 is going to be too many. In fact, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Let's go for 5 and 6. Let's have a little listen to this. So you can hear we go suddenly into triplets and back up. So what's interesting about these 2 bars is we're making a lot of changes from duple to triple. So in other words, from 16th notes to triplets. We start with triplets, we've got this triplet roll. Nice and easy. Then we've got right, left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left, 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 a little right, left, left, left in triplet. So at the end we've got this little poof, which is basically left hand flam, right left right, and then we'll have another left. So we get, so all the lefts are end up being up. So we get, that's that part. One more. Now if we listen to this. You can hear that second bar starts in triplet again with a 5-stroke, flam 5. But then on the right hand, we suddenly go into those tugitors, which is right, left hand flam, right hand flam, left. So we get then 2 of these little, so it gives us after that triplet. Now the timing of this, right, is going to go triplet 1 E under 2 E under 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going into the end, all right? So 1 will be the pattern. Let's do this 1 bar at a time and let's have a little loop of this. So 100 beats a minute is quite hard, all right? It's hard, you gotta hold on to those diddles. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. To learn this, if you're struggling with tugitors, I know it's a hard rhythm for a lot of you guys, just make it singles. Just to get through, then go practice the tugitors. Right, let's go on another bar. So the next bar, in fact, we need to do 2 bars again here. This next part, we've got essentially groupings of 3 counts. So we get this pattern that goes like this, which goes to the edge. And what I've got there is you can think of it as a choo-choo, paradiddle with a flam on there, paradiddle, but then we've got a triplet, but with a diddle at the start. So we get then another flam tap, so, and then another triplet. Now this took me a while to get my head around this. It just didn't feel natural to do that. One of the things I since realised is if you don't think of it as choo-choo, instead you think of it as, then the next part as 2 5s. We've just got this pattern that goes flam tap and that little triplet there. So if you do lots of those, eventually they'll get in your head. Then we play the whole thing. Now this part goes to the edge and then back to the middle. Now there's a slight change here, right though. So let's go with 2 bars again. You can see, let's listen to this playing it. Then again. So you can see the second time when we come from the edge to the middle, the second time, we instead of going, we get lots of rice. So it's going to give us then we've got, and then, now I know some of you are like, whoa, wait for that me. It makes more sense when you hear it a few times. Right? So I'm going to play along with this so you can get it in your head, then I'll break it down. Two, 3, 4. Two, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now this part then, when you get to there, it's basically going to be 1, 2, 3. Hard to go from there, right? Once it's in your head, I promise you this is much easier than it sounds. It kind of just flows, all right? So spend some time on that now, pause the video, get that part down. That took me the longest. Next part. Again, I'm going to go with the 2 bars because we've got the same theme going on here. We start with this part that goes. I've no idea what these guys at RCC called these, but this is a great little rudiment. This we've got a flam tap and then a, which gives us kind of a header, isn't it? Great rudiment. And to get the speed, the right hand, it plays 4s. Left ain't so bad. So it's that right hand that's going to slow you down, all right? So this before. And then with a rim shot. Then we've got a part that goes like this. So we've got 2 of these, then a little header, which is kind of a press down on the first note, but that kind of idea. So, and then, I forgot what these are called. You think of cherry bombs, there's nothing like that, is it? Someone tell me in the comments below, what are these guys called? Why am I thinking of cherries? I know, right? So we've got so that added on to the, there's a nice bit of writing there. Then we're into these bat flams, right, left, 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 right, left, left. I can't play it slow. I should be able to, shouldn't I? Right, left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left, left, left. So 2 flams there. Again, the right hand's just kind of flopping down. So those 2 bars. Let's listen to this guy play it perfect at 100 beats. try and stay in time with that. Two, three, four. Okay, then we're on to the final part. All we've got to do on the very final section is we've got a tap roll for 2 counts, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Then we've got this part where they do the crazy singles down the line. So one guy will play the first 5, the next one will go play the second 5, the next one will go and play the third 5. I'm going to play the first one because I think it's easiest. However, it's still insanely fast. You've got to get this really quick. The way to probably think about this to clean it, I imagine they've done this, is work the right hand so we all understand the da 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 and then drop the left in between. So I've got, if I was to play the whole thing, it would be like, and the right hand would be da 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 da. So for me, if I was playing the first part, da da da. Right, then at the very end, the release is played. We all then go like this to get up to here. What I'm doing there is I'm doing a half backward spin with my right hand, one of these. I'm bringing both sticks up and I'm just going right or left. I think it's rim shots, right, left. So I've got, up, and this is a lot easier in real time. They play it up at about 140, right? We're down at 100. Let's listen to it though. So roll, split, bang, bang. Let's try it. 2, 3, 4. Up. Same again. 2, 3, 4. Up. Right. 100 beats a minute is difficult because it's not written to play that speed. It's written to play faster. So you have to hold on to some things that are not designed to be held on to. However, you've got to learn it. So I'm going to try and play at 100. I can. Let's lock in with this and let's see how we get on. Here we go. It's got a counting for us this time, right? So we've got, so roll. It's hard at that speed, right? Let's get another good one. 1, 2. Okay, so I dirted in the middle of that one, but you guys will forgive me, right? So let's go up. Let's go 115. It starts to get a little easier once you memorized it, when you get up to this tempo. And then let's go 130, I think. They can play at 140, right? Can we? Maybe, but we can definitely play at 130. Let's do that. Okay, so that is how to play RCC 2025. Go learn it, take it nice and slow. If you do anything slow enough, you can get all the way through this. If you enjoyed the lesson, give me a like, leave me some comments. Someone remind me what these damn things are called. It's not cherries, but it's something like that. Go check out my courses. I've got lots of courses online now for you guys to get stuck into. And go check out my other lessons. I'll see you again real soon. Thanks for watching.